Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice equation. So that here we have 5 to the power 5 times of x to the power of 2 is equals to x over 3, and now we can solve this problem for the values of x, and after that we will check that its solution is satisfy the given equation or not. Okay, so the very first thing we are going to do is, here you can see that uh, here is the denominator of this term is 1, and here the denominator is 3, so that here we cross multiply the terms, and we can multiply this 3 on this side and 1 on this side. So this will become 3 times of 5 into x square is equal to 1 into x, and after that we multiply this 3 on this term, so we obtain 15 of x square is equals to x, and after that we can take this x from right hand side to the left hand side, so it will become 15x square minus x is equal to 0, and after that we can take common x from each of the term, and we will get 15x minus 1 is equal to 0. And now here we have two cases. The first case is we can take x is equal to 0, and the other case is we can take 15 times of x minus 1 is equal to 0, and here you can see that x equal to 0 be the one solution of the given equation, and in order to find the other solutions we will proceed this one. So here you can take this minus 1 to the right hand side, and here we get 15x is equal to minus 1. Here you have minus 1, so when we take it in the right hand side, so it will become plus 1. And here you can focus in the left hand side, here we have 15 and it is multiplied by x, so that we can take this 15 to the right hand side, and here it is multiplied, so that when we take it in the right hand side, so it is divided on the term in the right hand side, so it will become 1 over 15. Okay, so these two are the roots of the given equation. Now we will check over these two solutions, is it satisfy the given equation or not. So here we have the given equation is 5x square is equal to x over 3. So here now we can put x is equal to 0 on both of the sides, so it will become 5 times of 0 square is equal to 0 over 3, and here you see that the 0 square will become 0, and when we multiply 5 by 0, so it will become 0, and 0 over something is equal to 0. So here you can see that x equal to 0 satisfy the given equation, so x equal to 0 be the root of the given equation. And now we can check the other root, and which is x equal to 1 over 15. Now we can put x equal to 1 over 15 in this given equation. So here you have 5 times of 1, here you have x square, so when we substitute 1 over 15, so it will become 5 times of 1 over 15 square is equal to 1 over 15 over 3, and here you separate the square on both of the term, and the 1 square is equal to 1, and here you have 15 square, and it will become in this form is equal to, here you have 15, and when you can open this fraction, we can write it as 1 over 3 multiplied by 15, and here you see that you have 15, and we can write this 15 as 15 square as 15 multiplied by 15. Okay, 15 multiplied by 15 is equal to 15 square, and in the right hand side you have 1 over 3 times of 15, and 3 times of 15 is equal to 45. So here you can cancel out this term, and 5 3s are 15, and finally you got here In the left hand side you have 1 over 3 times of 15 is equal to 1 over 45, and 1 over 3 5 is 45. So here you can write it as 1 over 45 is equals to 1 over 45. So x is equal to 1 over 15 is also satisfy the given equation, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.